Yeah! Crazy! Whoa! Yeah! It is time, the big boy. Oh! Oh my God!
Stop! I don't want to be out of that.
Wait! Guys!
Go!
Oh my God! Yo! That was too much. That drop, yeah.
Are you still talking to me?
Wait, one, handle it instead of just.
Are you still talking to me?
Oh, wait.
Hey loves, we're back again. So I don't really know who provoked Wizkid, but I think they were saying he was the estate security guy. So guys, let's talk about Timaya and his rumored girlfriend. People are saying that this American TV show presenter has been, seen lately with Timaya. So we don't know. Maybe is this a dating rumor scene coming up? Because she was behind the stage when Timaya was presenting at Bayelsa. Most of these celebrities, they look Nigerian girls again. I don't even understand, because this one is an American TV show presenter. I don't know, is she a Nigerian? Please correct me. I don't know if she's a Nigerian, maybe Nigerian based in US, or maybe a complete US lady. Do you understand? But every time people are always saying, even in the media, that celebrities usually they usually go for ladies that are not from Nigeria, blah blah blah. But guys, this is the lady that people have been seeing and talking about, the Timaya all the while. And when we saw them in the plane thing, almost she was just holding dollars here and there. It be like say Timaya just the cash out this season, and girl was just enjoying herself. Do you understand? So guys, this is the gist I brought for you. And if you're new here in my channel, please by all means come closer. Let's be friends. Let's enjoy this gist together. And if you're an old subscriber, you are the best. You rock. Happy New Year, y'all, once again. And then see you guys again in my next video, guys. Bye.